research is to find out, you said, the DNA relationship between people and their ancestors or their parenting?
She works mainly on flies.
Really?
Yeah, on Drosophila, because they reproduce very quickly.
Oh.
And one of her latest pieces of work, which I think is very significant, is she's been able to grow human cancer cells on a fly.
Oh,
Now, why is this important? I mean, it's important because flies are very cheap.
Mm-hmm.
They reproduce very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
So if you, instead of having a mammal like a mouse or a
Mhm.
rat, they take forever to reproduce in terms of time.
So you can find out real
if this
quick
if
with the
this
fly.
works, it's not completely proven yet. This will be very good. So if anybody on the program's interested in this, they can reach
Contact
me.
you at lifesciencesociety.org.
Right.
Sounds like a good, interesting topic, huh?
Yeah.
And you making progress
On what?
on your research?
I'm not doing the research. She's doing the research. I do the
But
dog
does
work.
she tell you if they are making progress?
Yeah, I think they are. They are
Okay.
making some progress, but they don't like to talk.
Talk about it yet.
They don't want to talk about it because they think it brings bad luck.
Oh, okay, okay. So it was a pleasure to hear what you do. I mean, it is really interesting to see someone who is so active. You know, it's good.
Well, it's good. You have to be. I mean, if you retire from the things that you liked in life, then your life is retired too.
Yes.
And I'd like my life to continue a little bit.
Yes. So I wanted to congratulate you for doing what you do, and for being on French American TV. Do you have any other plans, or you want to just keep on working for your mom, for your daughter? I mean, your.
Well, we're trying to make the site public because once we have all of the stuff that you put in this paper,
Yeah.
and we get published someplace, we better have a site that other scientists can use.
Okay.
And that means having a big website. I mean, a lot of facility, because, 10,000 people start using it.
Now?
I think our last one, they had close to about 1,000, 2,000.
On your on Life Science Society?
No, a different
Oh, a different one.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's the same thing. It's
Yes.
run by us.
Okay.
So we
you
pay
have,
for it.
Oh, you have multiple websites.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And that one runs this particular program, which people can use.
Nice.
So, free.
Yes.
It's a part of the public domain.
Yes. So they use the program to bridge the two sciences.
No, to find out.
I mean, you said they want to understand what the other people are doing.
That's a different level.
Okay.
That's at a level where we want to attract more computer scientists into the field of computational biology.
Okay.
Okay,
So-
that's a different thing. This is the scientist who's down in the laboratory looking under his microscope and
He wants to share with
and-
other scientists.
He has to first of all find out if he sees a particular pattern of DNA,
Yes.
does it exist anywhere else in the genome?
Okay.
Okay, so for this he needs some tools.
Okay.
And the question seems very trivial, but if you don't have the right tools, you could be at it for 2 months
Okay.
looking for it.
So
and
he,
we would like to help
so
him
he
do it
posts
faster
his request to other scientists,
to our site.
to your site, and
Right.
people answer him.
Right. Well,
It's like a
the program answers him, but if he has some biological questions, then my daughter takes over.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
From
It's
Europe.
it's a forum, but it's private. It's a forum where people post their question, but it doesn't go to the public.
Oh, it can. We
It
don't
can?
hide anything.
Oh, okay. It's
No,
a
no.
public question.
A lot of this work, especially the work she does, is all funded by the government.
So it's public.
And and she wants to be very sure that it stays open and public.
Oh, that's good. That's
Yeah,
good.
That's why she doesn't work for a pharmaceutical company. Or
So
forth.
the government gives money to Harvard, and Harvard pays her. Is that
No,
the way it
no,
works?
she gets it directly.
She gets it directly.
She has to write for the grants. That's all scientists have to write for their own grants.
And but so when you say she works for Harvard, she goes there physically, you mean?
Well, they pay her. This goes into some money in her group, and she
Okay.
gets paid, I think, out of that. I'm not sure. I shouldn't answer that
No,
question.
no, no. I mean,
because I don't know
so
what the
she's
answer
not an
is.
employee of Harvard. She's her own self-employed person.
No, she's an employee of Harvard.
Okay.
She
So the
pays
money is transferred to Harvard, who
to
gives it to
Harvard,
her.
who gives it to her for her research.
Got
and her-
it, got it. I didn't know
So,
that works that way.
Yeah. yeah.
Okay. So it sounds like she has a very interesting life too.
It's very busy.
Very-
I mean, more busy than anything I've ever done.
Yeah.
She works 24/7.
So if someone wants to talk to you, it's Vicky at lifesciencesociety.org, or they can just go on the site and visit and
They can
communicate.
send me email at that,
Yes.
right, at Vicky,
Yeah, Vicky at lifescience.
sciences.org.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
I said.
Right,
Okay.
right. And I'll answer.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
usually around.
Well, we kind of running out of time, but
Yeah.
I wanted to thank you for being here.
Okay,
And
a
it
pleasure.
has.
Thank you for inviting us.
I hope you learned something, but I definitely did learn something. that first of all, I get to know you, and I get to know what you do in terms of helping scientifically. I mean, the world with your research, I assume. Yes.
Yeah.
So
We
thank
hope-
you very
we hope
much
that
for your
works.
contributions.
Oh, thank you.
You're-
Thank you for having us. Us.
Yes, yes, it's my pleasure. So this was Vicky with Life Science Society, and she's here in the Bay Area, and she helps her daughter with her research. Seems like it's gonna help maybe in DNA discovery for maybe cancer research. You said,
Yes.
and other research. But it's all
sicknesses.
public, so you can go check it out. And if you have any question, of course, please contact her. So thank you so much.